Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your iPhone is stolen. So if your iPhone is stolen and you're looking for a way to retrieve it, or what exactly to do when your iPhone got stolen, here is a quick steps and guide on what to do if your iPhone is being stolen. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Siri or your browser, and this can be accessed on any devices. It could be your computer, it could be your Mac, your iPad, your anything. It could be Android. Just tap on the search bar, then type in iCloud.com. You can see iCloud.com. Type it iCloud.com. Then it will take you down to the Apple's iCloud website. Then you tap on sign in. So once tap on sign in, it will bring out an option where to input your Apple ID password and the email link to your Apple ID. So just go down. So I already have mine already, which is the email, my Apple ID, my email that is linked to my Apple ID. So I'm just going to confirm that it's me. So by just input my password, then this will just load for a few seconds, then take you back to my Apple ID account. You can see. Okay, just gonna give you like a few seconds for me to have access to my iCloud. You can see getting your iCloud data. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to access my Apple iCloud data. Okay, you can see right here, this is my Apple ID, account. You can see these are a couple of things I have saved to my Apple ID. These are my notes, these are my drives, my Apple Drive or my iCloud Drive. I have some of my reminders, stuff like that, which is pretty cool, right? Good. So once you do that, you tap on this. Tap on this option in between. Tap on this. Once tap on it, then it will take out some in-app settings, which is the Apple's in-app settings like that. So you just tap on your Find My. So once tap on your Find My, so it will bring out Find My devices. So you can see, enter your password to your device, which is pretty cool. Just give 3 seconds to load and to bring out what we expect. So right here, you're just gonna have to log in your Apple ID password. So I'm just gonna type in my password. Then I can see I'm into my Find My device. So the first thing you have to consider is if your device location is turned on. But this particular iPhone I'm using, which is connected to this Apple ID, the location service is turned off. So next time, whenever you're trying to do something like this, make sure your phone location service is turned on. Right? Okay, good. So after that, then tap on this. Tap on this and tap on manage account settings. Okay, now don't tap on this. Tap on the iPhone option. Then from here you can tap on lost. Then you can just simply enable this lost mode location. So once you tap on this, it is sent a sense that this particular iPhone is being stolen. So from here, you can simply configure by add your number to this. Then whosoever that found your iPhone will see your number on it. Then a couple of messages you put on it. So for the person to know that this iPhone got stolen, then you can add your number or a piece of information that can make the users to find you and return back your phone to you. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.